What's up guys, Tony here with Drive Protected, and in today's video we're going to talk about how to remove the mirror and door panel, because you need to remove the door panel to remove the mirror properly, on a 2026 Tesla Model Y Juniper. So a few tools that you're going to need for this job is some plastic pry tools, a T30 Torx bit, and a 10 mil. To get started with removing the door panel, there's this little reflector here. You have to pop that off. I suggest just using a plastic pry tool. I'll show you that in a second. But one of the T30s is behind here. And then underneath the door handle here, there's a T30 here, right beside the light. And then there's another T30 over here. So we're gonna go ahead and pop that off and take those out. All right, so plastic pry tool, you can use one of these guys. Just make sure it's not really damaged there. So I'm just gonna pop that out, just like that. And there's that T30 I was talking about. So we can go ahead and just remove this guy. All right, another little tip I like to give people is when you're taking a panel apart, let's say like how I'm doing this door panel, there's a couple screws, a couple pieces. Grab a Ziploc bag and just mark what it's for, and just put all your hardware in there. That way you're not getting things confused, especially like this car where we're taking apart a couple different door panels. We don't want to get them confused, so we'll just keep them all separated in a Ziploc bag. Set that aside, or take out the next two T30s that I showed you here. Zip that up, that's not going anywhere. You can even just put it into here if you want. After you've done that, take your plastic pry tool. I suggest starting somewhere along this side here and getting that kind of in there and pop off. Once you've got one or two of those, you can hear those pops once or twice. You've popped out one or two of those clips. Then you can just get your finger in there and start popping those clips out. Just move along the door. And then once you get far enough, you're actually just gonna, and then with this little speaker, you just gotta pull it off. It hooks onto here. There we go. And then on the inside here, if you pull this up, once you pull your panel back, you'll see that there's this cord. This is the door handle cord. So we're just gonna pop this yellow piece. Give it a little wiggle. Should pop right out. There we go. Just wiggle a little bit. And then move that forward and just slide that out. And then, okay, they don't make this easy. I forgot. Okay, so there's a clip here. You gotta push down, get that guy out. That guy out. After you get that guy out, just take your plastic pry tool. Pry that thing out there. And that is also here. Do it again here. There we go. You got a bunch more things to unhook. All right, so you're gonna just continue popping these guys off, and then you can just take your plastic pry tool. Carefully pull that guy out there. There we go. For that one, a little flat screwdriver or a pick tool like this, you're just gonna push up on that and pry forward. Now you can put that guy back into there if you popped it out. And now we got another clip here. That's for the lights. This one, it's just a matter of pushing down on this, which is on this side here. So just push down on that, pull out. We got another, looks like it could be another one where we just, yeah, there you go. Just a little pry inside there. Don't pry too much, just a light little pry and pull forward. We got the speaker
wire here. That one should be an easy clip off there. Now, these guys in here. So if you pop this piece off, it's got a little piece of plastic that hooks it, keeps it on there. But you can then get to these wires. So that one's just a matter of prying that down. Oh, look at that, comes out forward. Get that one out. That one's just got a little clip there. And then this one is again a little pry in there. So there we go. We got all the wires disconnected that we need. Now we got this guy here. So we're just gonna take our plastic pry tool, get that. It's definitely best if you can get someone else to help you hold this, but it does work to do it by yourself too. Okay, just like that. A little time consuming, but we got all of our wires disconnected. So you definitely want to hang that somewhere, tuck that away so you're not jamming it up when you close the door. As you can tell, I just tucked that away there. This wiring harness here. So this one has a little piece here that you just push down on and pull out. And then we'll have this clip here. Once again, we'll use there we go. This one has 2 points. If you can get at it, top and bottom, works easier. Now we have a clip on this side. There's one clip right here that you just need to pull out. And then after that, you can lift that up and you can get at that 10 mil for the mirror. And then there's this 10 mil that's behind the wiring harness, this 10 mil here, and this 10 mil here. So we're gonna go ahead and remove both of those, or all 3 of those. Go ahead and pull this back and remove those guys. When you're removing the last one, I suggest reaching over and grabbing onto the mirror because it is gonna come loose. It should be a clip that holds it from falling out, but I always like to do this as an extra safety precaution. Now just push that rubber out and pull up on the mirror. Feed the wire through. And the mirror is out, just like that. So not super difficult, but does take some time. And you gotta have a couple tools, but not a lot of tools to be able to do this. So this will just make your install a lot easier. You'll be able to clean a little bit more in depth. So, or if you need to replace parts. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. See you guys in the next one.